welcome to another episode of Korea Travel Like a Local. This episode is about sushi restaurants in Korea. These are some of the best sushi restaurants here that I've been to and that are incredibly popular. And let me just tell you, the sushi in Korea, obviously Japan, and many of the East Asian countries, they have some of the best sushi in the world. And I think that's just because of the quality and the freshness of the fish, but it's really so much different than the American sushi cuisine. I mean, obviously the sushi kind of differs depending on each restaurant and everything, but I think it's definitely that coastal areas like California versus like Nevada, the sushi would probably be different in their freshness and quality. The first restaurant is Gatten Sushi. This restaurant is a chain all throughout the world, but especially in Japan and Korea. There's some in California, I believe, and mostly in Japan, and then there's a bunch in Korea. Keep in mind that they have some really long lines, so if you want to get something on time and eat on time, you definitely have to wait in like a 2-hour line if you're in the chain restaurant in the Latte Tower in Seoul. But some of the other places that are kind of in the city buildings rather than the mall, the city buildings have kind of a shorter line, but they're still pretty long, which really shows how popular this place is and how delicious the sushi here really is. If you've ever heard of rotating sushi, then you probably know that Gatten Sushi is one of the best places for rotating sushi. If you're in Korea and you haven't been here, you guys are missing out. It's definitely one of the best places for sushi that is affordable, super delicious, and quality. Next is some of the sushi omakase. If you don't know what omakase is, sushi omakase is the chef's course menu. And the thing that stands out most from omakase is that it's a bar-like table, and the fine cuisine is created right in front of you with the professional chef and delivered right in front of you. So the sushi is even more fresh. The chef is right there in front of you. They explain all the things that go on, and you can talk with the chef and have some really nice conversations. And it's overall a very quality fine dining cuisine type of experience. Sushi omakase is obviously from Japan, and then it kind of moved along into the South Korea, Seoul area because it is so trending these days. The first place that I would recommend for if you are a student is Jori-in. If you're a student or you just want to grab a sushi but a quality sushi and you want a full stomach at the end of the night, then you have to go to Jori-in. But if you wanted to go to a more high quality sushi, and if sushi is your thing, like you need the sushi to be awesome and high quality, then you should go to Sushi Koji. At Sushi Koji, the chef is actually a professional Japanese chef from Japan who worked at a fancy hotel and moved to Korea to create Sushi Koji and give us the best sushi experience ever. So both Jori-in and Sushi Koji, depending on your style and your preference, both are definitely something that I recommend. Thank you for listening in on this episode on sushi restaurants. There will definitely be some more food in Korea episodes coming in, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.